pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey Gems, it's Karen. I have an unboxing. I got Allure the other day. This is the $23 box. I'm scared. I'm so used to paying $15 and loving it. What if I hate it? Anyhow, if you're new here, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will take a chance on this channel and subscribe and watch a few more of my videos. And tell me your thoughts and your favorite color. That I always ask. Put that in the comments below. Okay, so $23. The price went up October 1st. I don't know. They always come with a pamphlet. Oh. We're like 42 seconds into this video and I'm like, is that it? Okay. I'm gonna get, maybe there's like gold in here somewhere. I've got my coffee, my cigarette, guys. Grab that, a snack. We might be here for a minute. All right. So the first thing I see that pops out at me is a Sigma lipstick. This is the color Venom. All right, I guess we're getting ready for Christmas. The reds are coming out maybe because I'm thinking, oh, that's pretty. Now I just put on a gloss. Should I try this? Let's try it and see what it does. Long wearing, non-drying. What's the price? Oh, we need to know the price. I've only used Sigma brushes. Have you guys used any of their makeup? Okay, so this is definitely a sample size. It would be $20 if you were to get the full size. Okay, we're gonna try her. We're gonna see. And it's not gonna go with this look, but whatever. Okay. Ooh. That is red. The only red lippy I have ever liked was Poinsettia from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's creamy. But it is red. Wow, with a smoky eye? Do you think I could get away with it? With a smoky eye, maybe. Okay, so we'll try it. Okay, that's not bad. I like that, but it is sample size. I thought we were supposed to get like more full-size stuff. All right, the next thing I see is the new company. Okay, this is gonna be like a serum. There's the box there. The new Topical C. Let me see, hang on. It's got to be in here somewhere. Here it is, $70. Okay, is this full size? This looks like it's full size. But it's 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer. Oh, I gotta mix it. It's a powder. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, we'll have to try that in a skincare video. So stay tuned. Okay. Now, what do I see next? Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol. Verso Skincare. I think I'm saying that right. $65 if you were to get the full size. This cannot be the full size. 6 months it's good for. Let's open it. No safety seal? Nope. All right, so this is an eye cream. It's very light. Not quite a serum, but not quite a lotion either. Okay, 65 bucks. So this is really to put dot size amounts, it says underneath your eyes. So after using this serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. So we'll have to try that. I'll have to update you there. Okay, now I see Dr. Jart. Whoops. Dr. Jart. What is this? $48. That would be, this cannot be the full size. Cannot be. I would not, yeah, it can't be. All right, this is another one. No safety seal. What is this? Hydrate. Moisturizer. This is supposed to be a lightweight moisturizer. Look how thick that is. Wow. I want to like all of this. Let's try that. Oh, this is not lightweight. Like, you can feel this. So it's saying it's got like, or this is weird. Okay, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The Ceramidin line, which is what this is called, uses a blend of ceramicides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells so precious moisture can't escape. All right, this is for dry skin. Definitely for dry skin. I don't have dry skin, but it doesn't mean it won't work, right? My camera said too hot, so I don't know if you caught the last of what I had to say about this cream. This here, definitely for dry skin. And we're going to move a little quicker now because I'm afraid my camera is going to do that again. All right. And the next thing I see is La Roche. It's a Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Lots of moisturizers going on. Let's see here. $19.99 for 400 mLs. This is obviously a sample. We're going to open her up. Why so many moisturizers? This goes in a serum. This I actually like. The red lipstick thing. This is a moisturizer. So this is another moisturizer. I could have sworn we had something else. None of these things have freaking safety seals. Oh, super thick. So you got dry skin. Atta girl, go for it. Yep. It's an intense repair cream. So yeah, if you've got dry skin, this is definitely a product for you. Okay, yes. And this here was an eye serum. All right, so got all my little goodies here. It looks like we've got a nail polish. And they're $16. Static nails. Pretty color. Okay, so this person says they used to get gel manicures bi-weekly. Have shifted to doing my own nails. Doesn't have formaldehyde in it or toluene. I'm not sure what that means. I can't open it because of the moisturizers. It applies so thin, I feel like it dries extra quickly. I don't typically wear a lot of nail polish because it comes off within 12 hours. And I really wanted to, here we go. I really wanted to show you guys the color. So I think I'm just going to paint one of my nails real quick. I got red lipstick. Oh, because I'm holding my cigarettes. There's red lipstick everywhere. Okay. It is a very pretty light color. And I don't know if you'll be able to see that on my middle finger. Couple of coats, I'm sure. But again, if it's lighter and it starts to wear off, it might not be as noticeable. So that's not a bad thing. Okay, the last thing I see, oh no, two more things. Yeah, more samples. Okay, so we've got hydrating collagen eye pads. Hydration booster for the eye contour area. Let's see. There's $18 for 5 applications. So these, obviously, you put underneath your eye. It's pure collagen. That I'll definitely try. And $18 for a pack of 5 is not that bad. And the last thing I see is shampoo and conditioner samples. Okay, let's see where the shampoo and conditioner is at so I can tell you a little bit about that. Is it on the back? Yes, it is. Okay. Helps protect color. It's a blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium. Gently cleanses and replenishes hair's moisture levels while softening and detangling. It's free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty. Okay, I'm sure that's supposed to say cruelty-free. Okay, so we've got how many samples? 1, 2. This here was the Intense Moisturizer. This is the eye cream, but I think that might have been full size. The Dr. Jart Moisturizer. The powder you want to mix with a serum. It was quite expensive. And then we've got the lipstick, the nail polish, the eye patches, and that's it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, and it looks like 1, maybe 2 is full size. That's it for $23. I need your thoughts. I mean, if these products are worth it and work really well, I can see spending that money. But, I mean, to try out samples, I feel like you can go into a store and just get samples. I don't know if you could get the quality samples of this, but I really need your opinion. I don't know if I want to continue to get this or not. And I don't really like the idea of putting powder in one of my serums because then I'm mixing chemicals. What do you guys think? Would you put your thoughts in the comments below? Would you continue to get this? Do you get this? Have you gotten this with the price increase yet? Let me know all of your thoughts. I really want to hear them. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I will see you guys in another one real soon. Bye.